Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the code and logging into the correct Nvidia account so the platform recognizes ownership. Start on the official Nvidia Rewards or GeForce Experience redemption page. This prevents platform mismatches. Once logged in, choose the target platform, Steam, Epic Games, or GeForce Now, because codes often map to specific storefronts. Make sure your account has two-factor authentication off temporarily if redemption fails due to security blocks. This step ensures the system accepts the code and assigns the title correctly. Now you enter the code exactly as shown. Typing errors cause common failures, so paste then verify there are no leading or trailing spaces. When prompted, link the third-party account, Steam or Epic, by authorizing access. This is how Nvidia transfers license ownership. If a region or age restriction appears, change the linked account's region or use the correct regional code because mismatches block activation. Once the accounts are linked and the code validated, the system queues the entitlement for delivery. Finish by confirming the game shows in your platform library or by checking your registered email for a confirmation message. This proves the redemption succeeded. If the title does not appear, restart the client and sign out, then back in to force a sync. This resolves most propagation delays. If problems persist, contact Nvidia or platform support with the code, purchase receipt, and account ID so they can trace the transaction. This evidence speeds resolution and helps recover lost entitlements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.